Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about another activity. The activity name is Invoke Pipeline. So what actually we can do with the help of the Invoke Pipeline activity from this particular pipeline, right? I can invoke another pipeline. For taking example, in a workspace, right? In a workspace, data factory, I have a multiple pipeline is available. Pipeline 1, pipeline 2, pipeline 3, like this multiple pipeline is available. Now your requirement is like once the pipeline 1 is complete, right? Once the pipeline 1 is complete, what actually you want to do? You want to invoke pipeline 2. So in this case, what actually you can do? You can use this activity. So suppose this copy data 1 is completed. Now after that, what actually I can do? I can use this invoke pipeline. I can use this invoke pipeline. I'll connect this. Now in invoke pipeline, go to the setting. You have to do a setup. First, you have to establish a connection. Go to the more. This all available in a fabric, right? So select the fabric data pipeline, create a new connection. You have to just do a sign in. Sign in with your fabric account. Click on the connect. Once you will click on the connect, right? You can see workspace, which particular workspace. In a data factory only we have a multiple pipeline, right? So workspace I will select data factory pipeline, which particular pipeline you want to run. So suppose after copy data I want to run this pipeline too, so I'll select that. And if any kind of the parameter is there, that actually you can use here, otherwise that's it. Now you can see what will happen once you will run this copy data, right? Once it will succeed, this invoke pipeline, what actually it will do, it will run the pipeline 2. Suppose after this pipeline 2, right, again you want to invoke another pipeline. So what you can do, again you can use another invoke pipeline, and you can connect that. With the help of that you can invoke the another one. Suppose here I want to invoke the another one, so connection is the same, data factory workspace is same. I want to invoke the pipeline 4. So like that we can use a invoke pipeline. So in a one pipeline itself we can call the another pipeline and we can run that. So like that actually we can orchestrate it. So it is very much useful. Try to do practice. I hope you got the idea what is the use case of the invoke pipeline.